Oh, g'day. Here I am back in my wood yard. Everything's packed away because it's summer, or it's coming on summer. So it's time to make some charcoal. I've got a bit of wood over here, left over from the year's wood. And we're going to make it into charcoal. It's pretty simple how I do it. I've just got a standard bin. And I literally fill it full of re-splits. These aren't massive pieces of wood, and I do try to fill it as tight as possible. So that's all the sticks I can get in. I'll get some larger chunks from the scraps and I'll fill the rest with that. Now, all right, okay. This is what my box looks like. So it's basically full of wood. It's mostly stringy bark because I quite like the taste of stringy bark in my smoking wood. I'm going to cover that up and put it in my brand new burn bin. I knocked this up in about 20 minutes yesterday using my new plasma cart. Probably should have made a video about that. Anyway, bin goes in. Center it. Now we fill that full of wood as well. Looks like my bits are too big. Tell you what, I'm going to pause it for a bit and I'll show you when I filled it. That took a minute or two. Oh. All I've done is I've gone around my slash yard, picked up a whole bunch of stuff. I've got wood pieces like this that I've just sort of filled all the way around the bin. I put more on the top. I should be able to get a 2 to 3 hour burn. I'll probably top it up about halfway through to make sure I do get a 3 hour, 4 hour burn. The more the merrier really. And then I'll let it cool till overnight. So I'll just show you it burning a little bit and then we might come back tomorrow and I'll show you the result. Okay, really all I'm going to do, a couple of these organic firelighters. I don't care that they're organic, it's just that's what I have on hand for my cooking things. So get a bit of flame going on those. Righto. Oh, there she goes. Pretty simple when you've got some dry wood. Here we are about 20 minutes in. Obviously I've stacked more wood and scraps on top than I had before, but the fire's raging now. It's starting to get down into the barrel. It's going to get them and burn all those big chunks of wood I put down there. We'll get a few good hours. We'll get a few good hours and then we'll have some great charcoal to make some great barbecue. Can't wait. All right, here we are next morning. This barrel's still a bit warm. I know, it's all right. I'll bring this fella out and give you a look at it. I know. There is still some warmth in there, so it's been cooking all night. I know. First look, I haven't seen inside here. Oh wow. Look at that. Bring this up close. Look at that charcoal. Oh, I'm impressed. That's probably the best batch I've ever made. All right. You don't need to spend a fortune. And look how much that is. That's got to be $100 worth of charcoal. That's probably cost me $5. Well, that's how much this barrel cost. I'm impressed, folks. Just a quick recap. Yesterday, we filled this barrel with firewood. We put it in this drum, we packed it around with firewood, and we burnt that for 24 hours. Well, we burnt that for about 5 hours and let it go for 24 hours. Now, I have about 60 litres of beautiful, beautiful charcoal. It's going to last me probably half a summer, rather than going and spending $30 about 4 or 5 times. I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.